In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to switch from a regular grid or sheet view into a clean, easy to read calendar layout for your tasks, projects or events. First, make sure you already have your Smartsheet sheet open in your browser. This could be any sheet where you're tracking dates like a project plan, an event schedule, or a content calendar. The key requirement is that your sheet contains at least one date column because the calendar view relies on that to place items on the correct days. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the Smartsheet interface. You'll see a menu bar with several options, and among them is a control labeled View. This is where you can switch between different ways of looking at the same data, such as grid, Gantt, card, and calendar. Go ahead and click on View. When you click this, a drop-down list of available views will appear. Take a moment to notice the options, because understanding them helps you choose the right view for different kinds of work. Grid is best for detailed row-by-row editing. Gantt is ideal for timelines. Card works well for Kanban-style workflows, and calendar is perfect when you want to see dates visually on a monthly or weekly calendar. For this video, we're focusing on the calendar option. In that same drop-down menu, find and click on Calendar. As soon as you select it, Smartsheet will transform your sheet into a calendar layout. Your rows that contain dates will now show up as entries on the corresponding days. If nothing appears on the calendar at first, don't worry. That usually means either your sheet doesn't have a date column set up, or the dates are outside the current visible range. You can adjust the date column settings in the sheet, or navigate forward and backward through months or weeks using the calendar controls at the top. Once your items are visible, you can click on them within the calendar to see more details, edit information, or adjust dates directly. This makes it easy to manage schedules visually without losing the structure of your underlying sheet. That's all you need to create and view a calendar in Smartsheet. Open your sheet, click on the View menu, and choose Calendar. From there, you can refine your date columns, adjust the display, and start using the calendar to keep your work organized and time-based activities clear and accessible.